Well, if you notice that one of your colors not printing, in my case it's yellow, and this happens if you don't use your printer for a long time and then the printhead could get clogged up. Well, if this happens, Epson wants you to clean out the printheads. So you go to the maintenance and you scroll down to printhead cleaning. And you run this a couple times to see if it'll clear up printhead issues. If that doesn't work, then you go down to PowerCleaning. PowerClean does that. It throws a lot of ink through the system to help dislodge whatever's clogging your printhead. Unfortunately, it's indiscriminate. It's going to throw a lot of ink through all the colors, including the black. It uses up to 15 milliliters of ink every time you use it. And you may have to use this 2, 3, or 4 times. And in essence, you're just going to run up to your ink supply. I have a better method. And we're just going to use a Word document to see if we could help unclog the printhead. So this is what we're going to do. So the first thing you want to do is open up your word processing that you have. I'm using LibreOffice 7.5. You can use whatever Office software you have. What we're going to do is we're going to go up to Insert. Then we go Shape, Basic Shape, Rectangle. Now just click onto your word processor. Drag that box down. Then at the same time, I'm going to drag it a little bit wider. Okay, second one, we do the same thing. I'm going to click on it, drag it down. I like to make it a little bit wider. Third box, click it down, make it a little bit wider. We'll go this way. And then our fourth box, drag it down, make it a little bit wider. So we got 4 boxes, one for each color of the Epson printer. Okay, so now we're going to have to add color to these boxes. So right click on the first one. Come up here. We got the color that you get to choose from. Click. And then we'll go to custom color. Now in this hex screen here, we're going to do yellow first. So we're going to type 4 F's and 2 zeros. You see that gives us the yellow. This is Epson yellow. Go to the next box, click on it. We're going to come up to the color, click custom, and we're going to make a blue one. So we go to hex. It's 004 Fs. Okay, that's going to be our blue. Next, we're going to go with the magenta or pink. Right click, go to custom color, and the hex for this is FF00FF. Okay, now last color is a black. So right click on it, go to our color selection, custom color. Black is pretty easy. The hex is 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Black. See the black here? Click OK. There it is. Now what we do after this point is that you click your print and then let the printer print this color bar. What's going to do is going to clean out the printheads for each color. Now, if you have an issue with one color being lighter than the other ones, it's not printing out, let's say, the yellow. What you could do is you could expand the size of this yellow bar, and you can make it bigger than the other bars so that you get more yellow ink flowing through. You see what I mean? So you say, hey, I need more yellow. And see if that corrects it. Run it across 2 or 3 times until the yellow appears better. Now, if by chance this does not work, then what you could do is that you could create another document page. But in this case, we're just going to have one square. Let me just show you that real quickly. So we go to a blank document writer again. And we're going to do the same thing. You know, we're going to go Insert, Shape, Basic Shape, Rectangle. Click in the center someplace. And then here now, we're just going to make the box bigger. I mean, as big as you want it. I like to go maybe full page on this. If, you know, this way we're going to use a little more ink to help clean out that printhead. Go up to color bar again. Go custom color. And let's say the yellow is giving us the hard time, right? So go to hex. Yellow is 4 Fs, 2 zeros. There's the yellow there. Now you print this page, 2, 3, 4 times, as much as it takes to get your yellow back with the other colors. Now, if this doesn't work out, then we're going to have other issues with that printhead. It may not be the printhead. It may be the lines going to the printhead may be clogged, and then that's an entirely different issue. But basically, once a week, do the standard 4 color bar print as a maintenance to keep your printhead free, flowing, and unclogged. So by running the yellow bar, I got my yellow back. Yay! So I hope you found this video informative. Please click the like button. When you have a chance, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.